Welcome to Bismillah Family TV.
Like and subscribe. Ya Nabi, Ya Rasool,
Ya Habib, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
tonight our hearts
Do you know this
are
beautiful
filled
place?
with love.
For the mercy sent from Allah.
Madinah!
A light of mercy, a heart so kind, a beautiful example for all mankind. He taught us patience, love and care, to help each other, to always share. From every land, from every shore, Muslims send their love once more.
One Ummah, one heart, one beautiful name.
Muhammad,
Forever we proclaim.
with every heartbeat, with every prayer, we send our love with a heart so sincere.
I love Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
I love Muhammad.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Across the world our voices rise, with love for him beneath the skies.
I love Muhammad,
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
our beloved Prophet.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
One Ummah, one love, heart shining bright.
Following his path toward Allah's light. In every language our hearts can say, your beautiful teachings guide our way. Mercy to others, truth in our speech, a life of goodness within our reach.
From Madinah's peace to every land.
We hold his teachings hand in hand.
With love and kindness,
We'll carry on, keeping his beautiful example strong.
who do we love?
Muhammad,
Do we praise?
Muhammad,
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
I love Muhammad.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
I love Muhammad.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
From every nation, every land, we follow his beautiful command.
One Ummah, one heart, one love tonight.
Walking together toward Allah's light, our hearts will sing,
Our voices say,
Muhammad,
we love you every day.
Ya Nabi,
Ya Nabi,
Ya Rasool,
Ya Rasool.
Ya Habib, Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Ya Nabi, Ya Rasool, Ya Habib, Sallallahu Alaihi
Wasallam.
Tonight, our hearts are filled with love for the mercy sent from Allah above.
A light of mercy,
A heart so kind, a beautiful example for all mankind.
taught us patience,
love and care, to help each other, to always share.
from every land, from every shore.
Muslims send their love once more.
One ummah, one heart, one beautiful name.
Muhammadan,
Forever we proclaim.
with every heartbeat, with every prayer, we send our love with a heart so sincere.
I love Muhammad,
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
I love Muhammad.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
Across the world,
Our voices rise
with love for him.
beneath the sky.
I love Muhammad,
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
our beloved prophet.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
One ummah, one love, heart shining bright.
Following his path toward Allah's light. In every language our hearts can say, your beautiful teachings guide our way. Mercy to others, truth in our speech, a life of goodness within our reach.
From Madinah's peace to every land,
We hold his teachings hand in hand,
with loving kindness we'll carry on.
keeping his beautiful example strong.
Who do we love?
Muhammadan,
Who do we praise?
Muhammadan.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
I love Muhammad.
I love Muhammad.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
I love Muhammad.
Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam.
From every nation, every land,
We follow his beautiful command,
one ummah, one heart, one love tonight.
walking together toward Allah's light.
Our hearts will sing, our voices say,
Muhammadan,
we love you every day.